The Grand Canyon, one of the seven wonders of the natural world, is located in the state of Arizona. It is also of UNESCO World Heritage Site, formed by over 17 million years of erosion from the Colorado River. The Grand Canyon offers spectacular views. The canyon spans 277 miles in length up to 8 in width, and I measures over a mile in depth. At its deepest point, Carlos always wanted to visit the Grand Canyon, and recently he received the chance to hike some of the trails and take several panoramic photographs during his visit.